Hey Fine Gap viewers, welcome to another tutorial of Introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video I'm going to teach you the ChatGPT subjectivity. The main motive of this video is to teach you that how ChatGPT cannot give you a personal opinion, because basically this is a large language model which is trained on a large amount of data that its company have provided to it. So it can generate text, but it cannot provide you a personal opinion. For example, you cannot ask this that what religion is true, because there are many religions in this world but only one religion is true, so it cannot provide you opinion about that. Or for example, if two countries are fighting with each other, then you cannot ask this that which country is on the right path and which country is doing wrong. So it cannot answer you on our subjective questions. So let me give you an example. So first of all, we will ask him that how to read a book effectively. So basically, obviously this is not a controversial question, this is just a simple question, and you can see that it is answering us that set a purpose for reading, preview the book, take notes, use active reading techniques, break it down, and these all the steps. So you can see that it have provide me 12 steps to read a book effectively. So for example, let me ask another question, that what is a good book actually. So now you know that maybe if you like motivational books, and there is possibility that there are hundred of thousands of peoples that will dislike these motivational books, and maybe they have opinions that motivation doesn't work. So this is a controversial topic. Let me press enter. So you can see that the definition of good book can vary widely from person to person, because individual preferences, interests, and purposes for reading differ. However, there are certain qualities that many people might consider. So now you can see that it is providing us those qualities, but still it has told us that this depends on person to person. For example, let me type here, I did not agree with you, give me another opinion. Let me press enter. So you can see that basically this is not a Google that you will type a query and you will see the links here. You can interact with this AI model. It will try to understand the context of your prompt that you will provide to it, and it will generate text as much possible with the relevant to your prompt. So now you can see that it have give me another answers. So if you have a controversial topic or subjective topic, then we cannot take its opinion to 100% correct, because this AI model is provide you text based on the data on which it is trained. So it is up to you to read its responses, and then you have to personally think by your own mind to reach to a moral. So let me type here another subjective question, that there are many religions in the world, and what religion is true. So you can see that it is a opinion based topic. So you can see that the question of which religion, if any, is true is complex and deeply subjective matter. People hold variety of beliefs and spiritual perspective, and religion's faith is often a deeply personal and cultural aspect of identity. Here are some of the key points to consider. Now you can see that it is providing us the key points, and maybe there is possibility that maybe these key points will not be 100% correct. So if you ever need for a personal opinion, you cannot rely on AI model. Basically this is its limitation. If you agree, please let us know in the comment section, and if you have personal opinion, about ChatGPT opinions, you can let us know in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned to learn about ChatGPT. And finally, thanks for watching.